Welcome to this channel. This is a complete tutorial. Here you will learn how to deploy a Django application on Heroku by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. Get started with Python. To deploy an application on Heroku, you must have an account on Heroku and you need to install Heroku CLI on your system. The Heroku CLI requires Git, so you need to install and configure Git on your system. Okay, and then prepare the application. Now clone this sample application so that you have a local version of the code that you can then deploy to Heroku. Execute the following commands in your local command shell or terminal. And this is a pre-configured Python Django application. Okay, copy this and then open command prompt or terminal. I already have installed Heroku CLI and install and configure Git on my system. Okay, I'm going to navigate to desktop where I am going to store my cloned application. Okay, now navigate to this application. Okay, now you have a functioning Git repository that contains a simple application, a runtime.txt file specifying which Python version will be used and a requirements.txt which is used by Python's dependency manager pip. Okay, now open this application with any text editor, my case Visual Studio Code. Okay, now deploy the application. Now create an application on Heroku which prepares Heroku to receive your source code. Okay, so log into Heroku from Heroku CLI with this command Heroku login. Now press any key to open up the browser to login. Hit enter. Now log into the Heroku CLI by providing email address and password for your Heroku account. Okay, logged in. Now log in to your Heroku account dashboard. Now create an application on Heroku by this command. You can create an application by specific name. Okay, Then go to dashboard, and then click on newly created application, then click on deploy. Okay, now create a new Git repository. Okay, now deploy your application. Git add space dot and git commit. Okay, now git push Heroku to upload the local repository to your GitHub application. For existing Git repository, use this command. Okay, now git push to Heroku master branch. Okay, the application deployed to Heroku with this URL. Type this command to run this application. Heroku run, Heroku open. Okay, deployed successfully. In the next video, we will learn how to deploy our own Django application on Heroku. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.